노을 같은 너의 그 입술이 바다 같은 너의 그 입술이 내겐 어떤 별보다 이쁘지 너에게로 이어지는 기분이 Can you be my la 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 Can you be my la 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 Can you be my la 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 Can you be my la 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 la
People are going to want disclosure. I just think it's the right thing to do. Sure. Thank you.
I'm sorry for not switching off the AC right now, but I'm really very tired, and whatever I have made, I don't even know if it's correct or not. Like, I'm so tired. It took me so much time to figure out what I wanted to do, and now I'm saving the file. And also my SketchUp is gonna expire anyways in 8 days. Hello everyone, I just got done with my lecture. It is 1 o'clock, but it is so gloomy outside, and I'm also like I haven't had baths, so I'm going to have bath now. And yeah, these days have been very uneventful like always, because I just have so much of college work lined. Like as soon as I finish something else comes in, and then I'm like, and it's just so tiring. Like yesterday I was trying to do my assignment till 4, and I couldn't think of anything. Like literally I had nothing in mind. Till 3 o'clock I was just sketching, and nothing was coming out of those random sketches. So I'm still in the process of thinking about what am I going to do. So yes, yeah, I mean there's nothing much to say other than there is a Blackpink comeback today, which I haven't watched it yet because I'm going to make a reaction video on that. You guys told me that I should have made a reaction video on how you like that by Blackpink, but again I didn't have time, so I couldn't. But today I have, so I'm going to make on their new song, but it's already released and I haven't watched it yet, so I will wind up my things early so I can shoot that video in the evening and wash my hair because it's not in a good condition. Yes, I'll see you later or tomorrow or whenever I can. So guys, we were just shooting a podcast with Veer, and that would be up on his channel very soon. I mean, by the time I upload this video, it will be uploaded on his channel. I will link it in the description. And Veer, could you introduce your channel to the viewers?
My channel name is Design Daily. Basically, we work on architecture exams like NATA, JEE, and मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बताता हूँ, जैसे कि आर्किटेक्चर में क्या होता है, आर्किटेक्चर कॉलेज में जाने के बाद क्या होगा, पहले क्या होगा, व्लॉग्स करता हूँ कि आर्किटेक्चर स्टूडेंट कैसे मतलब डे स्पेंड करता है, तो लाइक दैट.
Okay, so please subscribe to his channel and look forward to our podcast. Yeah, it was great shooting with you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was doing my work and I just noticed something, and that made me really furious. A long time back, I wasted a lot of time making a list of some plants. I mean, I did not waste the time, I was researching, but I needed a list of plants or like just plantations required for a site, like some options which we can put on the site, and I wasted so much time in doing that, in searching. And now I realized that there is already a portal which has a list of plants and more in detail information. I mean, I should have researched much better. I don't know. This is such a bummer. Okay, so update. I wasn't feeling well today. I'm not still, but time waits for none. So I had some coffee and now I'm better. So now I'm going to do some work, and because I slept in the afternoon, I plan to do my homework at night, which might go up till 3 something, positively, because I won't be sleepy till that time. Yeah, and then also like once you drink coffee, then it's hard to sleep. I mean, I can sleep, but because I slept in the afternoon, I'm pretty energized for now. And it's been raining all day, and I don't know, I just don't like rainy days. It's so weird. I don't like it. Okay, so guys, today our channel has reached 1000 subscribers. Ta-dam, ta-da-ta-da-ta-dam. This is really very shocking to me. My studio is showing me it is 1003, but this is showing 1000. Well, that's totally alright. And this is me. It is 1 o'clock in the night, and I have finally got time to shoot this part, and I am extremely thankful to everyone who has subscribed and brought me to this milestone. All my friends and family, everyone I know, and also the people who I don't know and who have subscribed to my channel. I'm just really thankful. Frankly speaking, I thought like some time ago, I guess when I was on my 500 subscriber mark, I really thought that when I will reach that, I will like 1000 when I'll reach, I'll get crazy or I'll dance, oh yay. But that basically did not happen. I was happy when I saw it, but I guess I really thought about the fact that I did not make a video since 1.5 weeks, so I'm behind my uploading schedule. And also I really want to thank everyone, so I want to make a video dedicated to my 1000 subscriber mark. So I'm yet to think, what do I want to make? What should be the topic of the video? I'm just really happy. Thank you so much everyone who have subscribed, and it's so great I can share this thing in my vlog. Wow, I'm really glad. Thank you so much everyone. So right now I'm going to sleep, and I shall see you guys whenever I shoot next.
노을 같은 너의 그 입술이